In this video we will learn how to adjust Excel sheet margin when exporting as PDF when it gets split to 2 or 3 pages. So, let's start. Open Excel on your computer. Open file that you want to convert to PDF. Click on File. Click on Export. Click on Create PDF or XPS. Click on Publish. PDF file will open. You can see here our printed data has been split in 2 pages. Now to print complete data in single page, go to Excel. Click on File. Click on Print. You will see no scaling here. Click on it. Select Fit Sheet on one page. You can see preview here, size of font is very small. So, we will change portrait orientation to landscape orientation. Now you can see font size has been increased. Click on Printer and select Microsoft Print to PDF. Now click on Print. Select location where you want to save PDF file. Type a name for your PDF file. Click on Save or press Enter key on keyboard to save file. Now we will open this file. You can see PDF has been created and it is clear to view in single page. That's all. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share this video.